everyone, we're in the kitchen and I'm joined by one of Australia's leading chefs and ambassador for Lite and Easy, Dominique Rizzo. G'day, Dominique.
Hi Matt, how are you?
Good, thank you.
That's
now,
good.
tell us about your involvement with Lite and Easy.
Well, look, for years now I've been using Lite and Easy to maintain a healthy weight. Definitely a convenience, but most of all because the food is delicious.
Now, to be honest, as a chef, I thought you'd be one of the last people who'd be using Lite and Easy.
Look, people say that to me all the time, but look, I've got to be honest with you. After a long day at work, sometimes the last thing I want to do is go home and cook a healthy meal for myself.
True. Yeah.
So recently Lite and Easy invited me to work with them, and now I'm blown away with how amazing their meals are.
Why is that?
Well, the dedication and attention to detail from their chefs, their dieticians, to put so much nutritional value into the meals is just amazing. I mean, I create healthy meals in my restaurant, but to see it all in action and there's so many meals that they create was just incredible.
Okay, so take us to a typical day of Lite and Easy.
Okay, so this is your typical day, starting with your eggs Benedict with a delicious hollandaise sauce made by a chef. It's just like going out for breakfast. We've got a beautiful turkey, cranberry and walnut salad with a lovely ranch dressing. This is one of my favourites. It's a perfect one that I use I eat at work all the time. And a butter chicken for dinner. Now, really traditional, nice and creamy, but without the guilt.
Wow, you get so much food.
You do, and the great thing about it is that it is all portionally controlled and has all the nutrition you need. Look, by following a calorie-controlled diet, watching your portions, watching what you're eating, you're bound to lead a happy and healthy life.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much, Dominique. It's been great. Fresh ingredients, amazing meals delivered to your door, and a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. What more could you want? Thank you.
Absolutely, you're welcome.